Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I'm finishing head gasket job on 2010 Toyota Prius with 177,000 miles on the odometer. But in this video I would like to just save your time, mainly diagnostic time. In the case you will get these 3 codes. As I worked on this, I got a phone call from the older lady who's my customer, and she, I believe, has 2004 Prius, 220,000 miles odometer. The vehicle is worn, it's not very nice, not great condition. When I met her like a year ago, I discovered some bad work on the brakes and brake shields missing behind the rotors, CV axle installed incorrectly. Some bizarre, I don't know who worked on that vehicle. That was bizarre, and she just called as I work on this. And we basically talked over the phone. So she's driving through the town, and she lost power on it and got all the lights, the Christmas tree lights on. She got a red triangle and so on. Apparently she was very close to O'Reilly. So she drove in the parking lot. I don't know how she knew that they will scan your car for free, but she did. So they did, and they gave her 3 codes. And the codes are most likely in the title of the video, because I'm just trying to save you from some confusion or letting people mislead you. It was a C1310, C1259, and P0A80. Now, why that could be confusing? The C codes are for the brake system. The C1310 is active booster solenoid. So you are like, whoo, I will be replacing that complicated ABS system, right, which is connected to the hybrid system. Oh, that will be expensive. The C1259, it's hybrid vehicle system regeneration malfunction. So again, when you brake and when you push that pedal very slightly, you don't use the hydraulic system actually for braking. You are using that huge motor in that second gen, which becomes generator and is charging your hybrid battery. These 2 codes were triggered, but the last one is the most important, P0A80. And that's a replace battery pack, meaning hybrid battery pack, not a small battery which we call aux, not a small one for almost $300. No, we speak about the one for $3,000. Now, somebody may be confused that the first ones are for braking system and the last one is for the hybrid battery, which is underneath the rear seats. And I want to just save you confusion. In the case, it's a 2nd gen Prius in the year 2026. It's a 2000 year, it's 22 years old, it has 227,000 miles on the odometer, and your hybrid battery was never replaced. I will tell you over the phone. This is a free 1-hour consultation for everybody. That if you will go to the shop which has correct equipment, they will be not, hopefully, trying to find a problem with the regenerative system or the brakes. They will go direct with the big scanner on the hybrid battery. They will open entire pack and look on the individual batteries. And some of them will be over 14 volts and the vehicle is on, and some of them will be 11 or 12, maybe 1, 2, 3. That's why the last code was triggered. The simple little reader will not tell you that, but the P0A80 is for these variation in voltages of individual cells. That means that is done. The hybrid battery has to be replaced. Unfortunately, the prices with Toyota replacement brand new battery, I believe, still goes around $4,000. The battery, the core, the labor, reset, test drives and so on. It takes time to deal with it if you want to be thorough and make it carefully. Of course, somebody may say, well, I will take it out and go look for the rust and so on. Yeah, sure. First of all, unless you are hybrid certified from Toyota, don't ever touch it. That's what I will tell you. Don't touch it. It's only for special certified techs. Otherwise, it can kill you instantly, that high voltage system. Second of all, you will maybe remove some rust and it doesn't matter. You have no way to rejuvenate those packs. This is finished. And in her case, and we discussed that she kind of had idea. She said, uh-oh, the vehicle is finished. I will have to find another one. So again, if you see these 3 codes together, I'm trying to save you time. Statistically, the battery has to be replaced. On an older Prius 2004 with high miles and many different other problems, it doesn't make sense to pay over $4,000 for this repair because you are buying old vehicle. Don't forget, these engines, the second gen, they don't have a blown head gasket problem. They don't do it statistically. Like here, it's the opposite, and I discussed this with you in the previous video. Here, every single one of them fails. Those don't, second gen. However, as they get old and the mileage goes up, you will start seeing ashes on the spark plugs. You may have misfire coats, and if you find in the tailpipe heavy coating of black in the exhaust, your engine is burning oil. They do that roughly over the 200,000 miles. So that's also another thing. That engine is basically slowly dying. There's no way you will be rebuilding it or something like that. So that's how that second gen actually nowadays goes to the cemetery. That's how they die. They have either the hybrid battery or the engine starts constantly having misfires due to the huge oil consumption, and people are getting rid of them. So these 3 codes will be together in the title, because when they are together, these 3, you know from now on, you know immediately what's happening. Hybrid battery cells have too much of variation. Some of them fell too low, and it's time to replace it. Unfortunately, most likely, it's the end of that vehicle. I hope many of you will find this helpful. I know these cars are disappearing, but they are still on the road. So if you do like it or find it helpful, give it a thumb up and stay tuned. I have way more coming your way soon. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.